Hey guys, Friday, March 28th, 2025. Let's see what the Black Widow wants to do today. So far, we're trying to hold value area low of 386. It's right now around 385. Kind of chopping around. We have one model that's pointing or indicating a dead cat bounce and that it could push lower. And we have another model that's going that it could project higher. As of right now, looks like maybe it may want to go lower. If we can hold 386, we'll have a close on a Friday on 386. It's not going to look too good. Looking at our simple glance chart, MACD is positive, but we're starting to push lower. As you can see, we were finding support right here at the cloud at 373, but could potentially push in and probably go all the way back down. Key level you want to watch, I call these P levels, Gann P levels, 385. Keep an eye on that, 384. And if we, pop to the upside, 388 and 395. And obviously, if we're going to go down, it'll be 372. Let's go into our simple midpoint chart. We're still hovering around the quadrant around 386. You can see that the indicators are pushing lower. If we go into our daily chart, you can see that things are starting to wake up. Here is our midpoint for the week, or the monthly midpoint actually, 381. We pierced it on Thursday and then came right back up. So right now, this is another key level you want to watch. It could potentially push all the way down there. But things look like they're waking up a little bit. Let's go into the 1 hour. The 1 hour, the line in the sand for today only will be 384. So 384 has a double whammy. You got your midpoint there, and also you got a key level on the Gann P levels you want to watch. So the double whammy there. So if it bounces off there into the US session, maybe this was the bear trap, and they're going to probably push it higher. So far, everything looks negative on the hourly chart. If they're going to push it lower, that's your first target, 384. Second one will be 378, and then your last one will be 372, which is pretty much a typical dead cat bounce. Those are your targets to the downside view are bearish. If you're going to be bullish and it bounces off here, obviously 390, 395, 401, and 407. I have a target of 408 if the model that I'm using that's bullish goes all the way up. So typically a dead cat bounce, a fail new low, and then a bear trap, then 408 will probably be my target to the upside, and then that on the upside on the Friday. But it's all going to depend what's going to happen once the US session starts. Lastly, this is the model I've been using, and so far it's been working. It got the pop, and now the question is, are we going down or we're going to follow the up? Up would probably be, I don't know, it's Friday, volume might not be that great. 396 was the 25%. I have 408, which would be a midpoint here. That will be a squeeze to the upside, but if it's going to follow the purple model, then you guys already got the targets to the downside. And so far, it looks like maybe the purple model is probably going to win as of now, unless something changes in the US session. Here's the target, 376. Extreme, 366. I don't know if it's going to get down there on a Friday, but you never know. But those are the big targets here. 376 and 396. And if it's extreme, 408 would be my target to the upside. Target to the downside, 376. I am going to sign out. Hope you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.